city is under one of the worst winter storms we have ever had. But is it really that bad? Can I ride in it? Well, today we're going to find out. So let's get into the video. I don't know if y'all can hear this, but listen to all this snow hitting the ground. I have to be careful because this wire nut, I cannot get snow in this thing. If it gets wet, my bike will be fried, so. It is so cold out. Just trying not to slide on this ice. There's snow, but then like under it there's ice, and I'm just slipping like crazy. Maybe if I can get on this road. I don't even think you're supposed to have e-bikes out in the snow, but like, I need to get a video out. Also, we got some new bikes on the way. We actually got sponsored by a company, and so that'll be cool. The video should be out either next week or the week after. Oh, that is so deep. But yeah, that should be pretty cool. Come on. I had to go inside and warm up for a little bit. That's why I have a different colored sweatshirt on. It's not as slick down here, so I actually ride a little bit. It's starting to snow a little bit harder, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear that. And I don't know if there's gonna be stuff on the screen. I can hear it on my helmet. The snow's hitting me pretty hard, bro. I'll slid out. Oh, bro, these cars are pulling kids on sleds. What the heck? Whole pond right there, it's completely frozen. Bro, he's really just pulling in, that's crazy. Let's see if I can find the sidewalk. Oh shoot, I found it. Pretty sure this is a sidewalk. Feels like a sidewalk. Bro, look at that. That's funny. It's so cold. And it's so slick. Hopefully the snow isn't blowing on the camera. Ooh. I can barely have any traction. All right, there we go, got some traction. But honestly, like where I am, the snowstorm isn't bad like the news is saying and stuff. It's honestly just kind of fun. Like, you can just do stuff like this, but I don't know if this is damaging my battery or anything. I gotta like go in every like 20 minutes and heat it back up. Oh man, almost bit it. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. It is super cold out here, but the weather isn't bad. It's more just fun. So yeah, see y'all.